The Joplin Police Department says they're already seeing a positive impact just 6 months after the development of their co-responder unit, which helps pair mental health professionals with community members in crisis. This is KOAM News at 6. I'm Dow Quick. KOAM Samantha Walker is live outside the police department with details.
That's right, Dow. The co-responder unit is a partnership between JPD and the Ozark Center, helping to send mental health professionals out into the field. These co-responders respond to situations where crime hasn't necessarily been committed, but someone's in crisis. It's common for Joplin police officers to respond to the same people when it comes to situations from homelessness to substance abuse.
It's a cycle. It's a spin. You have a person who's going through some type of crisis in their life on the street. Officers get there because the situation is unsafe or a person doesn't typically know how to handle the situation. The officer can call these co-responders. They arrive and they can put their heads together and say, hey, this person doesn't need to be in jail.
The co-responders unit focuses on de-escalation techniques, helping those in crisis find the resources they need, from shelter to medical care.
You have a person who is trained as a mental professional. They can assess the situation, see, okay, this person needs to go to the hospital versus, hey, this person doesn't need to go to jail.
Co-responders are not police officers, and they intentionally don't wear police uniforms on scene.
So it allows them to feel a little more comfortable to open up and tell me what's really going on.
But they are still embedded into the department.
This is not a standalone, separate entity, but these folks are embedded physically inside the police department so that they can work closely with police officers and police command.
Chief Pearson says one of the biggest impacts they see the co-responders have had is that use of force numbers have gone down significantly.
In years past, the only tool that an officer had in their toolkit to deal with people in these situations was arrest, which meant they had to go hands-on with the person, and that led sometimes to uses of force. Well, with these civilian co-responders, they arrive on scene, and many times that means that they can have a non-traditional resolution.
They say now they have people actively seeking out help by going to the Joplin Police Department and asking for someone from the co-responder unit.
When we build trust with them, it means a lot because I know they're struggling.
I don't see this problem with drug and alcohol addiction going away anytime soon. I don't see the problem with homelessness going away anytime soon. So as long as these folks are in our community and they need our help, we have to have a program like this.
Now, Dow, there are currently 3 full-time co-responders working with the department. They say they hope to expand the program and the hours they're available as more people become aware of it. Reporting live in Joplin, I'm Samantha Walker, KOAM News.
All right, Samantha, thanks for that live report.